Ready for what?
Just go up and down and up and down and up.
You don't go up and down on this, do you? I thought that the parachutes was just coming down.
Really?
Didn't know you went back up again.
How can you go down if you're already on the farthest
Well,
down?
look, our feet aren't quite touching the ground yet. I thought we might just do like a millimetre drop.
Really?
Maybe?
We go like way higher than that.
Way higher than that?
Yeah.
Okay. What do the red lights on the floor mean? We get extra goes. We get extra goes. Don't look down.
That was fun.
That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This video is brought to you using the GoPro Hero Black 5. If you'd like to have your own, please click on my affiliate link in the description below. Please be aware any purchases made will supply me with a small commission. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and see you again for another video very, very soon.